How to earn free bitcoins with CoinPot. The world of cryptocurrencies is interesting but complex at the beginning. Bitcoin is an online and secure virtual currency. It is already accepted as a payment method by many online and offline vendors. You can get a Bitcoin wallet instantly here. Collecting free small amounts of Bitcoin, as well as Ethereum, Litecoin and other altcoins is a good way to start understanding how cryptocurrencies work. Faucets are websites generally full of advertising links which allow you to earn small amounts of Bitcoin and altcoin just by solving the CAPTCHA for the recognition and exclusion of any bots. Many faucets are just a waste of time because they do not pay or dispense too small amounts of cryptocurrencies. After months of testing, I chose a small number of faucets where to invest my time. First of all, my advice is to sign up on the two best microwallet for faucets, CoinPot and FaucetHub, to optimize and keep safe your earnings. CoinPot. The sites listed here are simpler and more secure because they converge on a single microwallet, CoinPot, a multi-currency wallet that does not provide any cost to transfer coins to your personal wallet. You can thus accumulate Bitcoin, Litecoin, Dogecoin, Bitcoin Cash and Dash. You can also mine all these coins by passively using your computer's CPU at the speed you prefer. At this time there are 7 faucets connected to CoinPot. Now let's get started by going to the link below the video. Sign up for a CoinPot micro wallet. This URL. This is where each faucet will send your claim. When you reach your withdrawal threshold, you will want to move your cryptocurrency from your software wallet CoinPot to another wallet. Here I already have an account and now I'm going to log in. An email confirming your IP address will be sent to you and you must activate that email. Sign up with each of the following faucets. Each one of these faucets is already connected to your CoinPot micro wallet. As long as you sign up with the same email address you used to sign up for your CoinPot, they are automatically connected. Play around with each faucet a bit to get a feel for how this works. Optimize your claim amount on each faucet. I've modeled out the performance of each faucet in this article. How much can you make from CoinPot in 1 year? Each faucet has its own incentive structure. In general, there are 2 different structures. Your goal is to maximize the claim by paying attention to rewards.